Hi everyone, I'm your host Yasmine Belle. Thank you so much for joining another episode of Matterz TV. Today, April 30th, 2020, we will discuss the eviction process and the rules for tenants and landlords during COVID-19. Some cities are temporarily banning evictions across the country. New York State on Monday, March 16th, will no longer accept evictions for the current moment. However, tenants are still obligated to pay their rent. So please do read your lease and what type of late fees you would be assessed if you were to pay your rent late. This will help you figure out what you would owe. So please reach out and communicate with your landlord and how you have been impacted by the current conditions. Some landlords are offering deferral plans and waiving late fees, as well as working with the tenants to keep them in their home. However, this is a discretion of the landlord. I just wanted to clear up that the 60-day is not a grace period for tenants to pay their rent, but the 60-day notice to provide for an eviction to be processed. So please reach out to your property manager to request a deferral plan as a relief program to help you, the renter, stay in your home. So again, the 60-day is not a 60-day that will basically be extended to pay your rent, but it is a grace period to pay your rent before the eviction gets proposed. My heart goes out to renters and landlords during this time, as if you were laid off and still waiting for the unemployment funds to come in. You're most likely going to have issues with paying your rent on time if you don't have any savings, which most of rent is actually due on the 1st, if not maybe on the 3rd, if there's a little grace period. So again, my heart really goes out to both of you renters and landlords out there that are struggling to pay their rent. During this time, landlords are suffering as well as renters. Landlords bank on this income, the property income that they receive, to supplement their income, and now are obligated to swallow a little bit of that during this uncertain time. So due to the inability to evict immediately, given the 60-day eviction process. So again, keep that in mind. Even if landlords can evict you within, a 60-day grace period, please have some compassion. And if you can pay your rent or at least something, please do so, because even landlords still have expenses to pay on the property, such as water, sewer, even possible mortgages. So it's really, it comes back full circle, to be honest. And so be kind, do the right thing, even if it's hard. Communicate, share your thoughts, be open to discussing this with your property manager and or landlord. And if there's, we're all in the same boat and we're all struggling to get ahead and develop strategies during this time. So wanted to give you a little insight on that. So please take care of yourselves and each other, sending you lots of love and light. And until next time.